Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Chaffee, SNS Storm Chasers. Before we get to look at our own weather here, I thought we'd just take a look at Tropical Storm Darby, which is crossing pretty much the entire island chain of Hawaii. The storm center is right about here based on radar, and we're looking at the position being about 100 or so miles south-southeast of Honolulu, moving toward the west-northwest at under 10 miles an hour. And top winds are 40 miles an hour. So it's a minimal tropical storm now, but it's producing bands of rain and gusty winds as it moves on through the entire island chain, which makes it in and of itself unusual because over the years you see these hurricanes that wind up going to the north or to the south, or maybe they touch one island but spare the others. Sometimes they even come in from the southwest and move across the eastern part of the island chain, but I don't remember the last time a tropical storm actually kind of bullseyed all of the islands of Hawaii. So it makes this a little bit unusual, even though it is a minimal tropical storm. Okay, so let's look at our weather, which of course we're enjoying some lower humidities today across much of the Northeast and even down into parts of southern New Jersey and Pennsylvania. The humidity levels have come down today. I'm thinking there won't be any thunderstorm development. Yesterday we had a dry line that set up across central New Jersey, and some thunderstorms formed just south of that dry line, but I don't see that happening today. Now we've got the warm tropical air coming back for tomorrow, and the NAM model does develop some thunderstorms tomorrow morning, scattered around that they move in as that very warm and humid air takes over. And then it's going to just be stiflingly hot and humid tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then a cold front comes through and it produces some thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk for severe weather here. You know, lately these marginal risks and even the slight risks have not panned out according to where they've been setting them up. But I think the risk is there for some thunderstorms. And given the time of year, of course, any one of them could wind up spinning up into a strong storm. So just bear that in mind. And then once that goes by, looks like weather conditions will improve on Tuesday. Tuesday to me almost looks like a repeat of yesterday, where we had blazing hot temperatures across much of New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, southern New England, Long Island, and for the Hudson Valley. But the humidity did come down. So I'm thinking it'll be a repeat performance of that. And it looks to me like it could stay, certainly should stay dry through Tuesday. After that, give a quick jump over to the GFS model here so we can look at the rest of the week. Even though the air behind this weather front's not all that particularly cool, it might put an end to the 90-degree readings across northern New Jersey, Long Island, and southern New England. Still will be upper 80s, but it might be that might be the limit as far as the highs are concerned. And then we'll see how we progress through the rest of the week. Just a lot of weak disturbances running around, and maybe something along the lines of some rain or showers Thursday night into Friday. But you know what? Models have been so not good with a lot of the short-range weather lately. The HRR model, for example, has been totally useless. So we're just going to kind of go along in typical late July flow here and see what happens as we head toward the end of the month and into the beginning of August. Let's take a quick check at what the tropics might bring, because we've been watching for the possibility of, just roll it back, watching for the possibilities of weather systems beginning to move off the African coast. And the GFS does pick up on a couple of little weak disturbances coming off. Nothing, at least through day 10, seems to develop here. So we'll see how that goes. I would really suspect that activity is going to start increasing soon as we head into the month of August. So enjoy the rest of your day and have a good start to your week.